again filling in, as you see, Hansen 11 yards shy of 1,000. Army's going to go for it here. I don't know about this with a lead in your own